I just found this old man niche channel, and it's incredible. I know I keep saying incredible, but it truly is. This channel is earning around 1.2K per month using AI-generated content. What's even more amazing is that the channel is still monetized and continues to earn thousands of dollars. I know many people want to create this type of channel and videos, but the biggest problem is finding the right prompts and free AI tools. That's why so many creators feel frustrated. But don't worry, this channel is all about removing that frustration. I'll show you how to create these kinds of shorts and long-form videos completely free, without spending any money, without credits, and without needing a debit or credit card. And yes, I'll prove it. So make sure to follow along step by step, and let's get started. First, let's jump into ChatGPT and create an amazing old man style video with professional image and video prompts. All you need to do is copy the master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will start working instantly and generate a complete scene-by-scene video structure for you. The best part is that you don't need to spend hours brainstorming ideas or writing scripts manually. Everything is generated automatically in a professional format. The output will include detailed image prompts, cinematic video prompts, natural audio prompts, emotional narration prompts, character consistency instruction scene. By scene storytelling structure, the story is usually divided into powerful sections such as introduction, daily life, emotional moment, progress, peak, emotional scene, satisfying ending. Each scene is designed to connect smoothly with the next one, creating a complete and engaging story. The character remains consistent throughout the entire video, making the final result look professional and realistic. You can also modify the master prompt to create longer videos, additional scenes, different characters, new locations, or entirely unique story concepts. The possibilities are endless. So, instead of struggling with prompts, scripts, and story ideas, simply copy and paste the master prompt into ChatGPT and let it do all the hard work for you. Within seconds, you'll have everything you need to start creating high-quality AI videos. Now it's time to create your AI images. And I know one thing. Most of you are tired of paying money for tools like Nano Banana or other paid AI platforms. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a single dollar. Yes, 100% free. Because today, I'm going to show you a powerful method using Flow AI. Flow AI is an amazing AI tool that allows you to generate high-quality images completely free, no watermark, no waiting time, and no hidden charges. You don't need any complicated setup. Just go to the Flow AI website, copy the prompts I provided earlier, and simply paste them there. That's it. Your images will be generated instantly. No skills needed, no experience required. Everything is simple and beginner-friendly. And the best part, you can generate unlimited images. Just copy each prompt one by one, paste it into Flow AI, and keep creating. You can experiment with different prompts, try new ideas, and build an entire content library in minutes. This is exactly how these viral channels are producing content so fast. They're not spending money, they're just using smart tools. So don't overthink it. Go to Flow AI right now, paste your prompts, and start generating your images. Once your images are ready, we'll move to the next step and turn them into viral videos. Let's keep going. Now let's jump into a powerful AI video generation website called PixVerse AI. Why am I using PixVerse AI? Because it's currently one of the fastest, most advanced, and most popular AI video generation tools available. The video quality it produces is absolutely stunning, and with the right prompts, you can create professional-looking videos in just a few minutes. The best part? You can get started completely free. You don't need expensive software, advanced editing skills, or a powerful computer to create amazing AI videos. PixVerse offers many different features, including image-to-video generation, text-to-video creation, cinematic effects, camera movements, and much more. However, in this tutorial, we're only going to focus on the free features so that everyone can follow along without spending any money. I'm going to show you the exact settings, prompts, and workflow that I personally use to get the best results. So even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to create high-quality AI videos by following these simple steps. Make sure you watch this video until the very end because I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use PixVerse AI to create stunning videos that look professional and stand out from the crowd. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. When you create a new account, PixVerse provides free credits that you can use to generate videos, including videos with audio. There are also legitimate ways to earn additional credits through activities and rewards available inside the platform. Now let's start creating our video. First, click on the Creation section and choose Image to Video. Next, upload one of the old man images that we generated earlier. After that, paste the same prompt that was used to create the image. For my first test, I generated the video without adding any narration. I just wanted to check the animation quality, character movement, camera motion, and natural background sound effects. Then I clicked the Generate button. And here's something amazing: the generation process is incredibly fast. Instead of waiting several minutes, the video is usually ready within a short time. Now let's check the quality.
Each morning follows a familiar rhythm. Tending the gardens keeps the village alive.
Wow, the results look absolutely amazing. The old man's movements feel natural, the facial expressions are emotional, the camera motion is cinematic, and the overall quality is seriously impressive. It almost feels like a scene from a professional animated short film. But I know most of you also want AI narration and voiceovers. So let's generate another version. This time, I upload the next old man image from the story sequence and paste the corresponding scene prompt again. Then I copy the narration generated by ChatGPT and add it to the prompt section. Before the narration, I simply specify that I want a voiceover included. After that, I click Generate once again. Within a short time, PixVerse creates a new version that includes both video animation and AI narration. Take a look at the final result.
Morning, a familiar rhythm. Tending gardens keeps the village alive. Each morning, a familiar rhythm.
Honestly, it's incredible. The old man's animation looks smooth. The emotional storytelling feels engaging. The voiceover matches the scene perfectly, and the overall presentation looks fantastic. Most people would never guess that this entire video was created using AI tools. And remember, this is just one example.
Some memories never fade. A photograph brings them back. Some memories never fade.
You can create unlimited story variations by generating new scenes, new emotions, and new storylines while keeping the same consistent character. As you can see, creating professional-looking AI story videos is much easier than most people think. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.